dear, respected, my elder brother in the spiritual field. So I have deep admiration and respect Bishop Tutu. So I want to express my greetings, your 90th birthday. So now we religious people should follow like Bishop Tutu, complete austere peace. We jokingly telling, I'm believer. I believe this is life after life, and no belief creator. Bishop Tutu believe creator. So sometimes he joked me. He ready go to heaven. I may go somewhere different place. So in any way, you see, we all totally dedicated peace of mind, and through peace of mind, we try our best to bring peace through inner peace. So this time, a special day for your 90th birthday. So special my prayer and greetings. So my elder spiritual brother, please still live long. You need world as a good example. Compassion. Now, for example, while we are in mother's womb, and after birth, warm-heartedness or compassion, loving kindness is key factor. So our life used to start that way. So now we should carry that our experience when we are young, our mother's loving kindness is the key factor for our survival and a happy life. So now this, our life beginning that way, so rest of our life should keep more compassionate mind, loving kindness. And then, now some scientists also say, more peaceful mind here, more compassionate mind, physical condition more sort of healthier. Even simply, in here, loving kindness here, automatically face more smile. Here, suspicion, hatred there, and then even using some smile, it becomes very easily artificial smile. So therefore, the compassion is, we are not talking next life or heaven, but this very day by day, we really need more compassionate mind. Thank you.